delicious as always. Let's make chicken wings and sweet corn. I'm going to bring it out from the freezer, but first let's marinate our chicken wings well washed. I'm going to add salt a little bit because I'm going to add seasoning cube. You know, seasoning cube contains salt, so now you have to be mindful not to add too much seasoning. This is parsley, garlic powder. You can use fresh one. This is curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, a little bit. Now add some soy sauce, just a tiny bit, and then some olive oil so that the spices will distribute evenly. Now I'm going to transfer in my baking tray and bake until done. You can marinate it for 1 hour if you have time. I'm going to pop it in my oven immediately, and it's going to come out nice and tasty. Trust me. Trust me. It's going to come out very, very tasty. In the same pot, I'll add the sweet corn. Add a little bit of salt and all the mendemende. Salt, some garlic, just a little bit. Soy sauce. Now let's add some butter. Add extra flavor. He bought my bread. Biggie something. Everybody here. I do hear me. All done. Look at that. Put it here to have the same taste. This is complete meal. Complete meal. Sweet corn and chicken. You guys, it's ready. The chicken wings. As delicious as always. It's hot. I have to allow it to cool before demolition. Children, come and have yours. Bye guys.